What if everything you've been told about walking after 60 is incomplete? For decades, seniors have been told, just walk more. Walk for your heart. Walk for your joints. Walk for longevity. But what if I told you? A growing body of research suggests that certain chair-based exercises may actually produce better strength gains, fewer falls, and less joint pain than traditional walking programs? In fact, research associated with experts at Johns Hopkins Medicine has explored how structured chair-based training compares to walking in adults over 65. And findings from researchers connected with Harvard Medical School suggest something even more surprising: the ability to perform repeated chair stands may predict independence more accurately than walking speed alone. Let that sink in. Not how far you can walk. Not how fast you walk. But whether you can stand up from a chair without using your hands. Today, I'm going to show you 5 chair exercises that may white check mark emoji, reduce fall risk, white check mark emoji, strengthen weak knees, white check mark emoji, improve balance, white check mark emoji, build muscle after 60, white check mark emoji, and help maintain independence into your 70s and 80s and stay until the end, because I'll reveal the exact chair height and foot position most seniors get wrong. That dramatically increases results. This could change how you exercise forever. Welcome to Senior Fit Secrets, where we help you stay strong, independent, and energized after 60. Let's begin. Chair emoji: why walking isn't always enough after 60? Before we jump into the exercises, we need to understand something important. Walking is cardiovascular. But it is not progressive resistance training. After age 30, adults begin losing muscle mass gradually, and that process accelerates after 60. This is called sarcopenia. And muscle loss leads to falls, slower reaction time, joint instability, loss of independence. Walking maintains movement, but it doesn't always build strength. Chair-based exercises, however, can safely load muscles without impact stress on the knees and hips. That's powerful. Now let's get into the exercises, ranked from foundational to most powerful. White check mark emoji, exercise number 5, seated leg extension. Simple, safe, extremely effective. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Extend one leg slowly until it is straight. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Alternate legs. Why does this matter? Quadriceps weakness is strongly linked to knee pain and fall risk. Research published in the Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation has shown that strengthening leg muscles improves mobility and reduces discomfort in older adults. Key tip: move slowly. Control the lowering phase. Tempo matters more than speed. Do 10 to 15 reps per leg. But we're just getting started. White check mark emoji, exercise number 4, seated marches. This one improves coordination and hip strength. Sit upright. Lift one knee toward your chest. Lower slowly. Alternate sides. Seems easy? Now try it slowly. And with control. This activates hip flexors and stabilizers critical for walking and stair climbing. Studies published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease suggest that coordinated contralateral movements, meaning opposite arm and leg patterns, may also stimulate cognitive function. Add opposite arm movement for extra brain activation. 10 to 20 repetitions total. Now we move into core strength. White check mark emoji, exercise number 3, seated core rotations. A strong core stabilizes your spine. Weak core muscles increase fall risk. Sit tall. Cross arms over chest. Rotate slowly to the right. Return to center. Rotate left. Slow. Controlled. Research connected to Harvard Medical School has highlighted the importance of core activation and functional independence among seniors. Key: do not rush. Time under tension recruits more muscle fibers. 8-12 slow reps each direction. Next, shoulder strength and posture. White check mark emoji. Exercise number 2, seated overhead press. You can use light dumbbells or even water bottles. Press upward slowly. Lower under control. Why is this critical? Shoulder weakness contributes to poor posture. Poor posture affects breathing. Breathing affects oxygen delivery. Research in the American Journal of Preventive Medicine has linked resistance training in older adults to improved postural alignment and reduced neck pain. And here's something most people miss: strength training boosts metabolism more than walking alone. 8 to 12 reps. 2 to 3 sets. Now, the most powerful exercise. Trophy emoji. Exercise number 1, chair squats. This is the king. Sit on the edge of your chair. Feet flat. Lean slightly forward. Stand up without using your hands. Slowly sit back down. This single movement trains quadriceps, glutes, core, balance, coordination. A 5-year longitudinal study associated with researchers at Harvard Medical School found that chair stand performance strongly predicted long-term independence in adults over 70. If you can perform 10 controlled chair squats without using your arms, you dramatically increase your chances of aging independently. Now here's the bonus most seniors get wrong. Present emoji. Bonus. The secret to tripling results: chair height matters. If your chair is too high, you reduce muscle activation. If your chair is too low, you strain your knees. Ideal height: your knees should be at roughly 90 degrees when seated. Foot position: feet shoulder width apart. Slightly behind knees. Not directly under them. And here's the biggest mistake: people drop too fast. Slow lowering, 3 to 4 seconds down, builds more strength than standing up quickly. Control is everything. Brain emoji. Why these exercises beat walking for many seniors? Let's compare. Walking. Black check mark emoji. Good for heart. Multiplication sign emoji. Limited muscle growth. Multiplication sign emoji. Can aggravate joint pain. Chair resistance exercises. Black check mark emoji. Build muscle. Black check mark emoji. Improve balance. Black check mark emoji. Protect joints. Black check mark emoji. Reduce fall risk. That doesn't mean stop walking. It means combine smart strength with movement. After 60, muscle is medicine. And strength is independence insurance. Warning emoji. Important safety reminder: before beginning any new exercise program, consult your physician, especially if you have heart disease, severe arthritis, balance disorders, recent surgery. Start slowly. Even 5 minutes per day creates change. Consistency beats intensity. You've earned the right to move without pain. You deserve to climb stairs without fear. To stand up without struggle. To live independently, on your terms. A chair in your living room could be more powerful than miles of walking. Strength after 60 is not about lifting heavy weights. It's about protecting your freedom. If this video helped you, comment, "Strong after 60." Let's build a community of seniors choosing strength over decline. Subscribe to Senior Fit Secrets for weekly science-backed strategies to help you stay independent, active, and energized. Growing older is inevitable. Growing weaker is optional. We'll see you in the next video. Stay strong. Stay steady. Stay independent. Medical disclaimer: before you begin any of these exercises, please remember this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. I am not a doctor, and this content should never replace guidance from your physician or healthcare provider. If you have heart conditions, joint problems, balance issues, recent surgery, or are taking medications, please consult your doctor before starting any new exercise routine. Stop immediately if you feel chest pain, dizziness, or unusual discomfort, and seek medical attention if needed. Your safety always comes first.